After starting the software, you will reach on this window. You have to go to question bank. Then you have to select the batch for which batch you are generating the test. You can create new batches and you can edit the existing batches also. Every batch have all the questions. The batch thing is just to classify how many questions you have used for that particular batch. Like for JEE NEET software, we have more than 2.5 lakh questions. So this 11th class also have all the questions. 12th class also have all the questions. So whatever questions you use in that batch will remain used for that particular batch only. So now I am going for this 11th class batch. So just select. So you will go inside. First you have to select the class which is JEE Main NEET and JEE Advanced. Then you have to select the subject, like I am selecting physics. Then you have to select the question level, easy, medium, all three levels we have. I am selecting the easy one. Then you have to select the chapter. Then like I am going for Newton's laws of motion. All the chapters of 11th and 12th class are added here. Then you have to select the question type, like I am selecting single correct MCQ. Then you have to select the topic of this chapter. You can see we have added many topics for this chapter. Like in every chapter we have added JEE Main 2019, 20, 21 and 22 and 23 asked questions. So from last 5 years in this chapter total 68 MCQs have been asked. So if you want to generate only previous year questions, like this you can generate, like these are only previous year questions. In a similar way, we have added like NEET previous year questions of last 30 years are also added in every chapter. You can see 63 questions available for this topic. In a similar way, we have added the NTA Abhyas App questions in the medium category. So in the NTA Abhyas App questions, you can see for this chapter, total 31 questions are available. So I am going for the easy level. In the topic, I am going to select all. So in this one, total 368 questions available for the easy level. When I click on any question, you can see the question in upper window and its solution in the lower window. Like I am selecting 2-3 questions from here, like 3 questions we have selected. Now click on add to paper. You can see once you have used any question, it will get pink in the software and its used count will go to 1. If you use the same question again, the used count will go to 2. So no restriction, you can use the same question again and again. So 3 questions we have used from the easy level. Suppose you want to add the questions from the medium level also. So I am going for the medium level. So in the medium level, total 348 questions available for this chapter. So I am selecting 2-3 questions from the medium level also. Again clear it. In the hard level, same chapter, total 413 questions available. So I am selecting 2-3 questions from the hard level also. So you can see single correct MCQs are available in easy, medium and hard, all 3 levels in maximum all the chapters. And in the hard level, you will find reason assertion, comprehension, match the column, fill in. All these categories of questions are available in hard level in physics, chemistry and mathematics for JEE Advanced category questions. Like numeric response you want to generate, so you can see 74 numeric response or integer type questions are available for this chapter. And in every chapter we have added previous year asked numeric response questions also for JEE Main. You can see from last 5 years in this chapter 26 numeric response questions have been asked. So if you want to generate these numeric response questions from the previous year, you can generate. Like I am adding some numeric response questions also, so just click on add to paper. Now suppose you want to add one more chapter question, so just clear it. In the mathematics we are going, like any chapter we are going for this definite integration. So in the definite integration MCQ type category, we have 346 hard level MCQs are available. So I am selecting 4-5 questions from here. You can see, click on add to paper. So these questions are also added in the add to paper segment. Now this is the manual selection. After reading the questions, you are adding to add to paper segment. But we have a auto generate feature also, like how many questions you want from this. So just click on auto generate and type the number of questions. Like we want 3 questions. So just type 3 here and click on retrieve questions. So software will randomly add 3 questions to add to paper segment. You can see it have added. So both features are available, the manual selection and the auto generate. And in the manual selection, you don't have to click on every questions. Like after clicking on any question, you can use the up and down key. So questions are changing. You can see questions are changing. You can read the question, then you can click on add to paper. Okay, so we have added some questions. When you click on show summary, it will show you everything from which chapter, how many questions you have added. You can see Newton's laws of motion MCQ easy 3, medium 3 and hard 3 questions are added. Then numeric response 4 questions added. Then mathematics definite integration MCQ 8 added. So like this you can customize your test, like 3 chapters you want, 4 chapters you want, 5 chapters you want. So like this you can customize your test. Now to generate this paper, just click on generate question paper and select your institute template. Like currently I am generating the paper on blank template, and you can start the question numbering from any digit. Like for the demo I am starting the question numbering from 101. So just type 101 here and click on select template. Please wait is coming. That means in the background it is generating our paper. In the Word file our software will generate the paper. You can see here we have the question paper file, and after that it will start the solution printing. So here we have the solution. So this is the question paper file, and you can see we have started the numbering from 101. So it have started from 101. And here we have the solution. You can see here we have the solution file for the same test. And every equation is in editable format. Like you can see all these equations are typed in maths type. So nothing is in the image format. Everything is in editable format. You can see every equation is in editable format. Now one more feature we have, which is the saved paper. Like I am saving this paper as demo 5. You can add the category. Like I'm adding the category as demo, and you can add the narration also. This feature is useful for the teachers who want to generate next week or next month papers. So they just have to select the questions like this, like we have selected, then click on save paper. Just write down the name of the test, like I'm writing as demo 5, as we have already did. The category demo, then the narration also you can add. Then just click on save paper. So it is saved. Now where you will find the saved paper, just go back. Here we have the saved paper category. You can see demo 5 we have saved. Here we have the summary of this test, how many chapters and how many questions we have added. Now here we have two options, like generate master file and generate shuffled file. Generate master file, like it will generate. If you click on generate master file, it will generate the paper in this sequence in which we have selected the questions. But if you click on generate shuffled file, so questions will be internally shuffled. Like this time I am generating the paper on Gyanam, and by default numbering will be 1. And we have clicked on generate shuffled file, so questions will be shuffled. You can see first question, the previous paper which we have generated was this diagram question, 3 weights ABC. But the first question of this test is different, and you can see this time it is coming with the Gyanam name. So it depends which template you have selected, and by default this is a 2-column template. So paper is generating on 2 column. So here we have the questions. You can see this diagram based question is on 6th number now, 3 weight ABC. So like this, if you want to generate a same paper in set format, set 1, set 2, set 3. So this thing is also possible in our software. So this is the question paper file, and here we have the solution file. So every time software will generate 2 files. First one will be the question paper file, and document 2 will be of solution.